Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create this model in SolidWorks part design. So just I will enter into new part design. Let's say OK. Now to create this part, as you can see, entire thing we are having here with circular section. So in this case, directly you can create this only off profile and you can make it here revolve boss. So for that, for example, on the front plane, I am going for sketch. So just I need to create only this off section. I'll go here with a line. I am starting from here. So from here we are having one vertical line, one horizontal line. Then this step I will cover. So just say like this. Then up to some length. Then one more horizontal. Then up to this origin. Let's say close it. Then to provide dimension, we'll go here with smart dimension. Dimension for this lower profile we are having diameter of 60. So we need to provide only here half dimension 30. Then next to that, for this we are having here 50. Let's say dimension from this line to this line we'll keep here 25. Then upper one we are having here 100. So we will keep only half as 50. Then next to that, as you can see, this height is 10 mm and this height is 35. So this height is 10. Then this height is, we are having here 35. Then total height we are having from base to top with height of 90. So this total height we are having total 90. Just give dimensions like this. As you can see, our sketch is fully defined. Then come out of sketch by using this exit sketch option. Make it here isometric. So here we need to go here with revolved boss. Go with revolved boss. Axis we need to select. Revolved boss is nothing but we can add material with rotation. But to create this revolved boss, we need to create only half section profile. Now we need to add material with this shape with reference to central axis. So I am selecting central axis as this. Once if I select that, with reference to that, it will be added material with rotation. Let's say OK. Then next to that, directly we are having here holes. So first I am going to create this hole. So as you can see, this shape holes we call it as counter bore holes. Now from here we need to create counter bore hole. Just I will go here with hole wizard, and to provide holes with our own dimension, we can go here with legacy hole. And as you can see, once if I open here type option, we are having different type of holes here. So here we need to create this counter bore hole. Just I will select this counter bore hole. As you can see preview here. Then normal hole diameter we are having 40. Depth up to next. Normal hole diameter we are having 40. Depth up to next. Then counter bore diameter we are having here 50 and counter bore depth only we are having 25. Counter bore diameter we are having 50. Counter bore depth we are having only 25. So just give parameters. Later to that go for position. We need counter bore hole. It should start from this face exactly with reference to this origin point. Let's say OK. Like this you can create this counter bore hole. Then later to that, here multiple holes are there with diameter of 11.80. So this 11.80 hole diameter circle we are having exactly on this construction circle of diameter 80. So now just I will go here with hole. We need to create here simple hole with a diameter of 11.8 and depth up to next. Go for position. We need to create position exactly on this circular disc. Let's say somewhere here one hole. As you can see, if I move cursor, we are getting multiple holes, but we need to create only a single hole. So to eliminate that, just you can use escape option and let's say normal to the curve. Now to make it proper position for the center point of that hole, we are having here construction circle of diameter 80. So just I will create one circle exactly with reference to this origin like this, and it should be with construction. Just I'll turn on for construction. and dimension I will give for this with a diameter of 80. Then later to that, we need to apply relation between this center point of the hole to this construction circle. It should be coincident. That point should be exactly on that construction circle. One more thing, as you can see here, they will provide this center point will be exactly on this horizontal axis or vertical axis. Now as you can see here, we are having this hole exactly on this horizontal direction to this center point. So just I will apply relation between origin point to this point. We need relation here horizontal. Let's say okay, and here also say okay. One hole will be created exactly at the position. Now by using this original hole, we need to create total multiple holes of here 6 holes in circular motion. In this case, we can go here with circular pattern. As you can see, just I am going here with circular pattern. Now features and faces. Which feature you want to make pattern? So we need to make pattern for this hole. Just select that. Then direction 1, just I will select on this curvature. Either here you can select or here also you can select. So let's say I'll select this. Total we need here 6. Just say okay here. Now as you can see, multiple holes were created at a time. So in this way you can create this, and as you can see, they have provided here section view also exactly with reference to this vertical. So here only we can see that cut section view by using here section view option. Just click on section view. Here you are able to change planes, in which plane you need to check. Either you want to see cut section with reference to front plane or top plane or side plane. And here you can move that cutting plane wherever you want, and you are able to rotate also for that particular angle. Now just I'll make it here section view with reference to this right side view. Let's say okay. So here I will go here with orientation, and I will keep it here left side view. Just I will click on this. As you can see how they have given here, same we have got. So in this way you can create this particular design in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.